we have the Mojo Vision Lens. Imagine a world where you don't need to pull out your phone to check a notification or your fitness stats. The Mojo Vision Lens is a revolutionary piece of tech that brings augmented reality straight to your eyes. This high-tech contact lens is embedded with a tiny micro-LED display, capable of showing you information like your health data, navigation directions, and even notifications from your phone, right in your line of sight. The lens is designed to be comfortable and seamless, so you can wear it just like a regular contact lens. It's also equipped with sensors that track your eye movements, allowing for intuitive hands-free control. Imagine having a virtual personal assistant that you can see and interact with wherever you go. But that's not all. The Mojo Vision Lens is designed with safety and practicality in mind. It's water-resistant, easy to clean, and made from materials that ensure your eyes remain healthy. The Mojo Vision Lens can enhance your daily life in countless ways. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of wearable technology, making it not only a cool gadget, but also an incredibly useful one. And the best part? This groundbreaking technology is becoming more accessible and affordable, bringing the future to you without breaking the bank. The Mojo Vision Lens is truly a game changer in the world of wearable tech. We have the Maven Thermometer, an ultra-fast and highly accurate device, perfect for various temperature measurements. Whether you're checking food, room, or body temperature, this thermometer delivers quick and precise readings. The Maven Thermometer provides readings in just seconds, making it ideal for busy kitchens, parents, and anyone needing rapid results. Its versatile design allows it to measure temperatures in different settings effortlessly. Featuring an easy-to-read digital display and one-button operation, the Maven is user-friendly and convenient. The backlit screen ensures clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. Compact and portable, the Maven is perfect for home and on-the-go use. With its durable construction and long-lasting battery, it's a reliable tool for any household. Affordable and practical, the Maven thermometer is a must-have gadget for accurate and efficient temperature checks. Beat the summer heat with the UMO Waist Fan, your personal cooling solution. This portable, wearable fan provides a refreshing breeze wherever you go. The UMO Waist Fan features 3 adjustable wind speeds, allowing you to customize the airflow to your preference. Whether you need a light breeze or a powerful gust, this fan has you covered. But that's not all. It also includes a built-in flashlight mode, perfect for nighttime activities or emergency situations. The fan is equipped with a rechargeable 12,000 mAh battery, providing hours of cooling on a single charge. Clip it to your waistband for hands-free cooling, or use it as a handheld fan. Its lightweight, durable design ensures comfort and longevity, making it ideal for outdoor activities, workouts, and daily errands. Stay cool and comfortable with the versatile and affordable UMO Waist Fan, your ultimate summer companion. Ever struggled with a stubborn jar lid? Meet the Elite Gourmet EJO 800 electric jar opener, your new kitchen hero. This handy gadget effortlessly opens jars of all sizes with just the press of a button. Using the Elite Gourmet EJO 800 is simple. Just place it on top of the jar, press the button, and watch as it securely grips and twists the lid open. It's perfect for anyone who has trouble with manual jar openers, making it ideal for seniors or those with arthritis. The compact design means it won't take up much space in your kitchen, and it's battery operated, so you can use it anywhere without worrying about cords. The Elite Gourmet EJO 800 is not only efficient, but also durable, built to last with high-quality materials. No more straining or asking for help. Let the Elite Gourmet EJO 800 electric jar opener do the hard work for you. It's an essential tool for any kitchen, making jar opening a breeze. Introducing the BIIB 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool, the ultimate compact solution for all your DIY needs. This versatile gadget combines 12 essential tools into one handy device, perfect for home repairs, camping, and emergency situations. The BIIB multi-tool includes a hammer, pliers, wire cutter, knife, saw, file, bottle opener, and more. Each tool is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and reliability. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and its compact size means you can easily carry it in your pocket or toolkit. Whether you're fixing something around the house, enjoying the great outdoors, or tackling an unexpected repair, the BIIB 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool has you covered. It's an all-in-one solution that saves you time and effort, making it an essential gadget for any toolkit. Affordable, practical, and incredibly useful, the BIIB 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool is a must-have for anyone who loves to be prepared for anything. Get yours today and make your life a little easier. Transform any room into a mesmerizing galaxy with the Rosetta Star Projector. This innovative gadget features 16 color light effects, combining stars and aurora lighting to create a breathtaking visual experience. With the Rosetta Star Projector, you can customize your atmosphere using the remote control. Easily switch between colors, adjust brightness, and select different lighting modes to suit your mood. The built-in auto-off sleep timer ensures the projector turns off after a set time, perfect for winding down at night. For a fun twist, the sound-activated party mode syncs the lights to your music, creating a dynamic light show that enhances any party. Whether you're looking to relax, set a romantic ambiance, or liven up a gathering, the Rosetta Star Projector delivers. Affordable and versatile, the Rosetta Star Projector is a must-have for adding a touch of magic to any space. Create your own personal galaxy with this amazing gadget. So, there you have it, 6 cheap and cool gadgets under $50. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.